Hey guys, I'm Marina.
I'm Tim.
And we are Caitlin's in the park. Today we're in Animal Kingdom and it's very special because it's Paisley's first time here ever.
So first off, we're gonna go over to Triceratops. I'm sorry for this crying baby. She's a little cranky. She needs her diaper changed. After that, I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do today. We're just basically going with the flow today. We got our magnet for being an AP. She's gonna grab it. We're also going to check out some of the exclusive AP drinks and treats over in Dino Land. Yeah, I don't really know what else we're gonna do today. We're gonna go on stuff to be a bug. Here's the magnet.
Here is the magnet. When you go to pick it up, make sure you have your AP card with your ID or you will not be able to get one.
Yeah, they're pretty strict with it now. Unlike the Epcot people. I guess apparently something happened with last year's Lion King magnet, so.
Watch, there's meteors. Does it not? Sound like Jerry Buffett. Alright, hey guys, we're at the lounge. We got the exclusive Passholder drinks. Tim got the pterodactyl something. It's a rum drink. It's what I would drink.
It's got blue curacao, Captain Morgan,
and Parrot Bay rum.
And then garnished with a pineapple.
And then mine is the Triceratops berry pop or
Can't
punch.
Really see it
yeah,
very
punch.
well,
it has cranberry, Sprite, and a bunch of stuff. There was like a list of 10 ingredients. And it's topped with little lemons, which I'm gonna put in my drink because that's who I am.
Yeah, we're gonna sit there, enjoy this, and then probably go to the other side of the park. Not sure really what else we're gonna do. Well, no, they're in the hotel.
She found him.
I think they were hidden up underneath all our bags.
She's trading for a couple things. I don't remember why she got them.
Picture's supposed to mean anything about the
Why? So I just went on Everest, but unfortunately my camera died, so I didn't really get much footage, just through the wait line. So I think we're gonna head over to the other side of the park now. We're gonna head out for the day. It's extremely hot out today. We're both not feeling too good because of the heat. And this one over here.
I am 11 weeks pregnant. The heat and I have not been friends recently.
So she can't overexert herself. She's got like a bunch of conditions that cause her to pass out very easily. So we're gonna head out for today.